As a science teacher, I face many challenges in engaging students with science because I'm finding that students live in such a virtual world now and they feel extremely disconnected to the natural world. I feel very limited when I'm teaching inside of the classroom. Within the four walls of my classroom, the disconnection to nature is only amplified. The highlight of this fellowship has been engaging with like-minded educators. I've been with 12 other science teachers who are passionate about conservation, ecology, and teaching. So brainstorming ideas with each other and coming up with ideas, those times in the bus where we've just been being able to chat and take notes and brainstorm lessons together has been the absolute highlight of the trip. I currently lead international trips with students, but traveling with EPI allows a focus on environment conservation, whereas there is no other organization that allows this very focused approach to student travel. Come on a fellowship, join the PD, like make it happen, make it happen, make it happen.